Welcome back to day 4 of our 30-day HTML5 mastery series. Today we are going to learn how to organize information using lists and tables. Two very important elements for structuring data on web pages. What you will learn: unordered list, ordered list, description list, table basics, rows, columns and headings, and best practices. In today's session we will explore different types of lists, how to create tables, and how to use tags like ul, ol, li, table, tr, th, and td. Now slide 3. Unordered list. ul tag is called an unordered list. ul is a bulleted list. Unordered list, it produces a bullet list. Li is a list item. You can see this example. ul, li, milk, bread, eggs are written. An unordered list uses bullets and it's created using the ul tag. Each item in the list is written with li in the HTML. Slide 4. Ordered list. Ordered list display numbers by default. Perfect for rankings, steps, and instructions. You can see the example. I will show you the demonstration and you can very well understand. These are the HTML code how to write the order list, and when you write it in the HTML and execute it in the web page, you will see the result. Slide 5. Description list. Description is DL. It's a list group. DT is a term. DD is a description. A description list is used for definitions. DT holds the term and DD holds the explanation. Intro to tables. You can arrive the table data. Tables help you display data in rows and columns. TR creates a row. TH creates a heading cell, and TD is for normal data cells. You can see the examples here. Name and marks. You can see the Rahul 95. The table title is name marks, and the row, single row, or Rahul 95. That is the row data. Best practices. Use list for content. Use tables only for data. Add alt text for images in tables. Keep tables clean and readable. Remember, tables should only be used for data, not layout. Use proper indentation, simple structure, and ensure your table is readable. Practice challenge. So you can do these 3 practice. Just pause the video and try to write it. If you have done it, just put it in the comment box. Just I have done it. I'll be happy to hear from you. And we can move on to the live demonstration. You will see all these examples in the slides that will be shown in the demonstration. We'll move on to the demonstration right now. Hi coders, welcome to the demonstration for day 4, HTML5. Let's start with an unordered list which shows bullet point. I will create a simple grocery list. Let me go into VS Studio. Okay, I just select this folder. This is the old one. I will create all these things. Okay, I'll start from new. I just exclamatory and simply type. So this is the body and title is there. Okay, I will start with the unordered list. Okay, so I have one x2. I just write the heading unordered list. Otherwise, unordered list start with ul and end with /ul. Okay, and in between list li, and I say milk. One is over. One more I will create bread. And third one, eggs. This is unordered list. Unordered list start with ul and each row you have to write li like that. Okay, I simply save it, Control S, and I'm just run the open live server. You see, it gives a bullet point. So li is unordered list always gives a bullet point. Okay. UL means unordered list, LI means list item. List item now, milk, bread, eggs and all. So this is used whenever the order doesn't matter. Okay, now we will see ordered list. Same thing in continuation of these UL. Ordered list, I will type H2 ordered list. Then start with OL for order list. In between, you have to list item, HTML, and CSS, a small letter. Keep order CSS and JavaScript. Okay, now you see order list. I given heading and I list item HTML, CSS, JavaScript I have written. I simply save the item. You see the order list is appearing with the sequence number. List item, it gives the sequence number. So if you need the sequence number, you have to write OL. If you don't want bulleted points, you write UL. Now we will see a description list. Next part. I start with headings, description list. As I told you already, description list, DT is the term, DD is the description. Okay, this is great for FAQs and glossaries. Okay, let us see. So I start with DL, it should end with DL, and DT is for term. I say HTML, DD, sorry, small dd. Okay, the structure of a web page. Okay, and I just give you a small gap and dt with the CSS, second one. Okay, I just dd styles the web page. Now I have written a heading one, description list, and dt is the term and dd is the description. This is a term. Term is HTML and the description the structure of a web page. And see CSS, dt is the term and style of the web page is description. This let us see. I simply saved it. You see here description list, it will print like this, HTML and the structure of a web page. Okay, FAQ, frequently asked questions, question and answer. In that way you can design it using this tags DT and DD. You start with DL, description list. Okay. Now let us create a simple table. Okay, simple table. X2 simple table. Table tag creates the table. So table, it creates the table. In between tr is a row and th is the table headings. First th will be there. So th. So headings must. So I give one heading name and second heading th marks. Okay, then tr. It should be within the tr. It must be a row, no? I just format it. Okay, see here, start with table and the tr is a row in which in between the headings will be there, home and marks. Okay, and data, table data, table data start with tr, that also will be the row in which td it should be the data. I say Rahul and the marks is 95. Okay, this is one is over. Second is second row. As tr within the row, and there should be a td, Monisha, another name, td, sorry, TD marks is 82 and simply save it. You see the table comes here, simple table. Name marks is the heading, so th you have to use th tag for heading, and the tr tag, within tr tag you should use table data td tag within the tr tag. Tr is a row, table row, td is a table data. So in that way the simple table is written in using XML. Okay, that's all the day 4 of the HTML5 series demonstration today. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, DSA and artificial intelligence, hackathon products and much more. More projects will come. Stay tuned and keep learning. Until then, goodbye.